a day. Everyone rushed in their first year. Look in the monitor. Nursing is much more about observation as it is in action.
I know, sister, coming from a small town of Sikkim, I have never seen equipments like this until I came to Athena. I don't want to break anything.
Trust me, sister, we also felt that. When I came from Siliguri, I was so amazed by the lab here. But by the time you spend so many hours in the lab, you will get your posting and you will come to know about all these equipments.
Exactly, a few weeks in the patient's ward, I realized I wasn't shaking anymore. In Sikkim, we are taught to be resilient, but Athena gave that resilience a professional edge. I knew exactly how to talk to the patient because we practice communication scenarios right here on these benches.
That's the secret. The hospitals we're affiliated in follows Athena's standard. It's just not about the degree, but it's about the reputation that we hold wearing this uniform.
Do you think that I will be ready for the night shifts by the next year?
Yes, sister. You won't survive the challenges, but you will lead them. We all have been through the late night study sessions and long standing hours.
We're all in this together.
And hey, if you get tired, Protsa knows the best spot near the hostel to get the strongest tea.
Alright, enough talk. Let's run to the cardiac arrest drill one more time. Protsa, you are on the monitor. Pragati, stay focused on the vitals. Let's show them why we are here.
We are proud to represent ourselves and even prouder to be a future nurse.